Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create trending Instagram reels using CapCut. Okay, let's get into it guys. Make sure that you have already installed CapCut application on your mobile phone. And after you have installed CapCut application, you can open it. And to create trending Instagram reels, I recommend you to use CapCut template so you can create the reels quickly. You can go to the templates menu right here, and then you're going to search trending Instagram reels, and there will be a lot of templates that you can use, and you can check the trending using CapCut template guys, and CapCut will suggest you or will recommend you trending reel, the trending template for reels. And I'm going to select wait guys, for the trending video I'm going to choose this template guys, the trending small ratio reels video. I'm going to use this template, and then we can replace the video in the template with our video. I'm going to click on use template, and I'm just going to use random video from my gallery. For instance, I'm going to use this one, and this one, and we need to select 9 items. Okay, and done. I have already selected 9 items or 9 videos from my gallery, and we can click on next. And wait, it's still loading. Just hold on guys. Okay, and this is the result, and you can edit the text guys. Go to the text menu if you want to edit the text. I'm going to select the text here, and I'm going to edit it. I'm going to make it cinematic story. Okay, and edit it by this name. Okay, and this is the result. That's so cool. And if you want to save it, just click on export, and if you want to remove the CapCut watermark here, you can choose export without watermark, and then the video will be saved to your device. Okay guys, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.